Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add an SD card to your Android phone, or to check to see if you have an SD card slot. Now this is really easy. Just go to the side of your phone, or it could be on the top or the bottom, and look for your SIM tray. And this is what it's going to look like when you take it out, but I'm going to place this in right now. And then I have this SIM removal tool. It just looks like this, or you could use some earrings, and you can just press down into here. And then this will pop out just a little bit. You can use your fingernails now and take it out the rest of the way. So you'll know if you have an area where you can add an SD card, because you'll see your SIM at the end, and then they'll have a little bit larger slot right here for an SD card. And we can just put this in right here. And then just remember the way that you took this out, and then slide it back in. Now what you want to do is go up and down like 3 or 4 times and just make sure the side here is even. Otherwise it's not going to recognize the SD card. And then just to confirm that it is plugged in, we can swipe up from the bottom and we can go to Files. So let's go to Files right now. And we can go to Files or My Files, doesn't really matter, and going down to the bottom. And you can see my SD card right here. We can tap it, we can go to the top right now, we can format it. And that'll delete everything off there. We can mount it or unmount it or create folders. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.